Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. We all know the routine when it comes time for the performance evaluation. You, your boss, and the HR folk have broken up your job into its various components. Your boss will evaluate you on results obtained, innovative ideas, absence of complaints, sustained good quality, punctuality, leadership, cooperation with others, motivation, flexibility, initiative, acquisition of new skills and knowledge, and so on. The list could be endless. Then you'll cascade that down to your subordinates and so on down the line, adding as you go some numbering, weighting, multiplying, and dividing. But all of those numbers you assign to each component of the review are nothing more than your personal judgment. You fool yourself that the merit review is quantitative and empirical when it's merely the sum or weighted product of subjective assessments of role fragments. Instead, ask yourself three simple questions if you want to recognize the merit of an employee's performance. 1. Is the person functioning satisfactorily in the role? 2. If yes, then is the person working as well as someone you would think of as working in the top half of their role or in the bottom half? 3. Whichever half they fall into, is the person working like someone in the top of that half, in the bottom of that half, or in the middle of that half? Most managers are already routinely making such judgments by taking a holistic view of the employee in the role. The assessment can readily be sense-checked by having the manager's manager review the evaluation. Applying these ideas gives you a quick and practical means of recognizing merit. Measure the whole person for their effectiveness in the role and not on an imaginary carve-up of its components. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.